Hello everyone, this is Shivani Jata and our subject is System Analysis and Design. Today's topic is Logic Flowcharts. Here are the contents of Logic Flowcharts. First is purpose, second is strength, weaknesses and limitations. Third is inputs and related ideas. Fourth is concept and in the concepts, first is program logic, second is a module flowchart, third is predefined processes, fourth is a process flowchart, and last is connectors. Fifth is key terms, sixth software, and seventh is references. Purpose. A logic or process flowchart is a graphical representation of the flow of logic, control data or paperwork through a program, a routine, a module or a process. The flowchart specifies or documents the order in which tasks are performed. Flowcharts are used for documentation and for planning. Strength, weaknesses, and limitations. A properly prepared flowchart can illustrate logical flow at a glance. Flowcharts are useful for describing or planning the logical flow through a relatively small module, routine, or process. A flowchart is a good choice for describing or planning a decision based algorithm where the number of alternative paths does not exceed 3. Logic flowcharts should not be used for documenting complete programs or large routines. Flowcharts extending over multiple pages are difficult to follow, and flowcharts of any size are difficult to maintain. Slips, if a flowchart spills beyond a single page or a single screen, combine several steps to form a subroutine or predefined processes. Link to the subroutine from the primary routine independently flowchart the subroutine. Algebra, pseudocode, and structured English may be better choices for describing or planning algebraic algorithms with no decisions. Decision trees and decision tables may be better for describing or planning complex case structures. Nasse Senderman charts are better for planning and documenting structured program logic. Hierarchy charts or structure charts are better choices for describing or planning the overall logical structure of a program. Inputs and related ideas. Before creating a logic or process flowchart, the designer must understand the algorithm or procedure. The necessary information might be compiled from direct observation, extracted from existing documentation, or derived from the information gathered during the problem definition and or systems analysis stages of the system development life cycle. Other tools for documenting or planning subroutines or processes include NASI, Sne- uh, Schneiderman charts, decision trees, decision tables, pseudocode, structured English, and input process output IPO charts. A routine often exists in the context of a larger program. Tools for documenting or planning program structure including structure charts or HIPO. Logic flowcharts are sometimes confused with system flowchart. A system flowchart documents the physical relationships between a system's physical components. A logic flowchart shows the flow of logic control or data through a routine or a procedure. Concepts. A logic or process flowchart uses 7 standard symbols. A terminator marks the beginning or end of the flowchart. Standard flowchart symbols. A, pro- a process symbol indicates an operation that changes or manipulates data in some way. For example, arithmetic move or copy. A data symbol A parallelogram indicates an operation that inputs or outputs data. A diamond indicates a decision. A connector, a small circle, means that the logic is continued at another place on the same page. An off-page connector home plate indicates that a logic is continued on another page. A rectangle within a rectangle indicates a predefined process or subroutine. The symbols are linked by flow lines that show the sequence and direction of flow. By convention, logic flows from the top down and from right to left and from left to right, and arrowheads are added to the flow lines to indicate deviations from this standard pattern. Arrowheads make a flowchart easier to read even when the direction of flow follows convention. Program logic. Flowcharts with multiple entry or exit points are difficult to follow and can easily be misinterpreted. As a general rule, each routine or process should have a single entry point and a single exit point. Program logic can be expressed as combinations of three basic patterns: sequence, decision, and repetition. A program is com- a program is composed of combinations of these three basic structures. The sequence pattern implies that the logic is executed in simple sequence, one block after another. Note that each block might represent one or more actual instruction. A decision block implies if then else logic. A, a condition, the diamond symbol is tested. If the condition is true, the logic associated with the then branch is executed and the else block is skipped. If the condition is false, the else logic is executed and then logic is skipped. Note that the then and else blocks might represent one or more actual instructions. Note also that a given then or else block might incorporate an additional decision block, yielding nested decision logic. There are two basic patterns for showing repetitive logic: do while and do until. In a do while block, the test is performed first and the associated instructions are performed only if while the test condition is true. In a do until block, the associated instructions are executed first and then the exit condition is tested. Note that the logic block associated with a do while or do until might represent one or more actual instructions. Here are some diagrams. This is for do while and this is for do until. A module flowchart. A flowchart for computing an average, it begins with sequential logic to initialize a counter and an accumulator and to read the first data value. Technically, additional logic should be added to this flowchart to ensure that the initial value of x is not negative. The loop counts and accumulates value of x while x is greater than or equal to 0. The program ends by computing the average outputting outputting the results. Predefined processes. Logic flowcharts extending over multiple pages are difficult to follow. If a flowchart spills beyond a single page or a single screen, combine several steps to form a subroutine or predefined process. Link to the subroutine from the primary routine and independently flowchart the subroutine. For example, flowchart for a routine that accepts a transaction and based on the transaction type calls another routine that adds. deletes, or modifies a record. The predefined process symbols indicates that the detailed logic is flowcharted elsewhere. In effect, using predefined processes allows the designer to decompose the logic. A process flowchart. A flowchart for performing a manual procedure waiting on a customer in a retail store. Note how the logical flow guides the sales clerk actions. Once again, the predefined processes indicate sub-processes that are flowcharted in more detail elsewhere. Connectors. Crossing flow lines are very difficult to follow and can easily be misinterpreted. To eliminate crossing flow lines, move one or more symbols or use an on-page connector. Generally, on-page connectors are shown in numbered pairs. For example, if the logic flows into a small circle marked 3, look for another circle marked 3 with a flow line that rejoins the flow chart at some other point. Off-page connectors are used when the logic is continued and another page or another on another page or another screen. If a flowchart requires multiple off-page connectors, the flowchart is probably too big. One possible solution is to group some of the logic into one or more predefined processes and reduce the number of symbols on the page. Perhaps a better option is to consider using a different tool. Here is the flowchart. A data maintenance routine. Key terms. Connector. A flowcharting symbol that indicates that the logic is continued at another place on the same page. Data symbol. A flowcharting symbol that indicates the input or output of data. Decision. A point in a program where the logical path is determined by a runtime condition. Flow line. Flow line. On a flowchart, a line, often terminating, is an arrowhead that indicates the sequence and direction of flow between two symbols. Here is another flowchart for manual procedure. Logic flowcharts, process flowchart, a graphical representation of the flow of logic control data or paperwork through a program, a routine, a module, or a process. Module, a portion of a larger program that performs a specific task. Off-page connector, a flowcharting symbol that indicates that the logic is continued on another page. Predefined process, a flowcharting symbol that indicates that the logic is flowcharted in more detail elsewhere. Procedure, guidelines, rules, and instructions that tell people how to perform a task, often a manual procedure. Process, a set of steps for performing a task. Process symbol, a flowcharting symbol that indicates an operation that changes or manipulates data in some way. Routine, a set of instructions that performs a specific limited task. Terminator, a flowcharting symbol that marks the beginning or end of the flowchart. Software, ABC flowcharter, micrographic, micrographics, all clear, SPSS, and Visio Corporation are three popular flowcharting programs. The examples in this chapter were created using Visio. References. Here are the references. Thank you.